This is a 2006 Chevrolet Cobalt. Features include an external temperature gauge, a CD player, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, a passenger side airbag, door reinforcement beams, and this vehicle has fewer than 63,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 34 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Boyd County Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2119 Greenup Avenue in Ashland.